for divine timing. So I feel like, with this Five of Swords over here, this is also the end of your, like, the end of the arguments that were happening in a relationship, also the end of your own struggles that you have been going through. Am I this kind of a person? What kind of a person am I in a relationship? Or who am I truly? Like, any of those questions, if you have over here. I never thought this reading would be so complicated. Last card, please, Spirit. Okay, and the Page of Wands coming out over here. So, finding a new direction. This is another thing that I spoke about. I feel like this reading is very related, and the Three of Wands over here waiting. Okay, so I feel like finding a new direction in your situation, in your whatever be the question in your relationship or in your single life, the problem that you are going through, the problems that you are going through right now, if you took yourself out of the situation, you would be able to see the solution to the problem. But then the question is, do you have the courage to put the solution into action? That is the question over here. Because we all can give advice, especially relationship advice. We can all give relationship advice to the next person, but cannot take it for ourselves. So, and I feel like that is something, that's another thing, because we are no longer allowed to have an idea of what it means to be love. We have to be the idea now. We are no longer just allowed to have the idea. So uh, and this is about you taking that idea and putting it into action. So if you, whatever problem you're going through in your relationship or in your single life, if you took yourself out as a third person and you were to give advice to yourself, like, do you have the courage to take that advice and put it into action? Like, that is the message from the cards here. Okay. All right, so since this is a relationship reading and I'm so bad at relationship readings, I'm going to pull three cards. These are yes, no. So have your question, whatever question you want. I've not taken any questions here. So have a question in your mind that can be answered by a simple yes, no. And I will draw three cards and then reveal them for you. Okay. So card number one, card number two, card number three. So pick a number 1, 2, 3, and with your question. And for those that chose card number one, it says choose a new direction. So if this were to, like, if you're asking in a direct yes no, this is a no, this is a no answer here, depending on what you're asking. Okay, choose a new direction is the message for your question. For those that pick card number two, the answer is no. Okay, and for those that pick card number three, no need to worry. So whatever you're asking for with no need to worry is coming to you in divine timing. This is not the time for you to spend thinking, is this going to happen? Should I do this? Should I be doing that? This is the time for you to be in the now and accept whatever is happening, because whatever is happening is not happening by chance. It is happening by the will of God, the divine, and also in alignment with your thoughts, your actions, your energy, right? So, hope this helps you in some kind of way. Hope you like the reading. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for joining me on this live. Love and light. Bye.